y'all, this is Jerry here again with you, Country Folks 100. I'm here, got Evan and Wes out here with us. We're going to do a little more shooting today. We've been trying to do a little bit of fishing, some fishing videos, but it's been kind of hard here lately getting the fish to bite. So now we're back to shooting out here. What we've got today is we've got Evan's 22. We did one video on it the other day, but Evan's changed it up a little bit since then, and we're going to see how far this thing will shoot. Just a little Ruger 1022. What'd you do different to it there, Evan?
I took that Leopold off. It was a 3 to 9 by 50, and I put that Nikon Monarch on there. It's I think it's 4 to 16, so it's a good bit more magnification for us trying to shoot some long range shots.
Okay, and then that barrel, how long is that again?
A 24 inch.
Okay, so it's a pretty long barrel on there.
Yeah.
So it's still a stretch for the 22 bullet, but we're going to try a 200-yard shot.
Yeah, on the metal plate.
On the metal plate down there with the 22. Alright. Alright, what we're going to do here, first off, is with the 22, we're going to try some shots at 50 yards just to make sure it's hitting where he's wanting it to before we go trying to go way out to 200 yards with it. That's already going to be a stretch as it is. So I'm going to just put this camera up here on the 50 yard. I don't know which one he's going to shoot at. And I'll come back and get you in a minute. And on the middle one down there.
Alright, that was a good one.
Alright. Not bad. That over there. Alright. Got 4 shots, and that's 50 yards with the 22, so that's really not bad at all. I mean, he's touching the bullseye on that. Alright, now what we're going to do is set this camera up down there at the 200-yard mark, see if we can get that 22 to reach all the way out there to 200 yards on the plate. Alright, this is the plate at 200 yards. I zoomed in pretty close on it. The camera's not that close. I just zoomed in on it because that 22 is probably not going to make a real big hit whenever it hits it, especially from that long. It's gonna be ran out of juice by then. All right, we'll check back in a minute. Okay, we're
We'll have to kind of
back up here.
set up.
He's getting set up. I thought I'd get a little cardio running back here from 200 yards. I forgot that I'm getting old and fatter, so I should have probably drove down there.
That is hot, man. Dang, it's hot. Nailing it. That's it.
All right. Yeah, you can really tell they made some good shots. Wesley was shooting a .223 caliber whenever he was shooting, and Evan was those first few shots with the .22. And I couldn't even tell he was hitting it from where we were up there, but it looks like he was. I'll have to go back and watch this video here in a little bit. But we're gonna go ahead and sign off from here and go up there and get to working on some other stuff. But you know, we appreciate y'all if y'all subscribe to the channel. We'll see y'all again next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.